Hi everyone. My name is Paul Simon Wayaki, also popularly known as Teacher Paul Simon Wayaki. I am the CEO and founder of Africa VR Campus and Center. I'm also regarded as the very first African to be active in the METAVERSE since 2016. Marshall and Africa VR Campus and Center was also the first to host a live METAVERSE event from Africa. Africa VR Campus and Center is also the only organization that teaches XR for free to students in rural grassroots Africa. Africa VR Campus and Center is also the sole organization that runs a weekly METAVERSE event live from Africa. I joined Engage XR in 2022, and one of the main reasons why I joined Engage XR is its cross-capability, cross-platform capability, in regards that this particular METAVERSE app is able to run on both mobile, that is iOS and Android, and also to run on PC, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, and also run on VR headsets, our favorite platforms. Another reason why we admire and adore Engage XR is the ability to interact with artificial intelligence. I want to introduce to you a creation I've just intuitively created just, within a period of about 15 or so less minutes. With me are two AI characters, a clone of myself, Wayaki, and a clone of our Associate Director Diana Njeri. We are going to put this AI to a test, and as you can see, we have set up a small host interview space here so that we can test these AIs and see whether they are up to date. Welcome members, and let us test these AIs together. I'm going to come to you, Wayaki, a clone of myself, and ask you this. What do you think about the current political situation in Africa?
A complex and multifaceted topic. As a neutral AI observer, I can offer a brief analysis. Africa is home to 55 countries, each with its unique history, culture, and challenges. While there are many positive developments, such as economic growth and democratic progress in some countries, others face significant obstacles including corruption, conflict, and inequality. I'd say the current political situation in Africa is marked by a mix of optimism and pessimism. On one hand, there's a growing recognition of the need for Pan-African cooperation, with initiatives like the African Union's Agenda 2063 aimed to promote economic integration and development. On the other hand, the region still grapples with issues like state fragility, ethnic tensions, and authoritarianism. But as the great African proverb goes, when elephants fight, it is the grass that suffers. Let's just say I'm a fan of African proverbs.
Wow, and personally I think he has a better English accent than I am, more understandable, but also a deeper understanding of what Africa is and the current situation. And indeed it is the grass that suffers when two giant elephants fight. But coming to you, Njeri, what do you think about the Gen Z protest happening in Kenya, and what is the remedy to the Kenyan problems?
The Gen Z protests in Kenya, also known as the Kwahaki movement, are a call for justice and equality in the country. I think it's heartening to see young people taking a stand against corruption, inequality, and social injustice. The remedy, in my digital opinion, lies in a multifaceted approach. 1. Inclusive governance. Encourage representation from diverse backgrounds and interests in government and decision-making bodies. 2. Education and awareness. Foster critical thinking, media literacy, and civic engagement among young people to empower them to demand change. 3. economic empowerment, address poverty, unemployment, and inequality by creating opportunities for education, entrepreneurship and job creation. 4. Accountability and transparency. Strengthen institutions, ensure transparency in governance, and hold those in power accountable for their actions. 5. Empowerment of marginalized groups. Amplify the voices and concerns of marginalized communities, such as women, LGBTQ+, and people with disabilities. As the famous Kenyan proverb goes, ukosefu wa uhakika ni kikwazo kikuu cha maendeleo. Uncertainty is the greatest obstacle to development. By addressing the root causes of the problems and working together, Kenya can build a brighter future for all its citizens.
That's amazing, AI Njeri, that you're very much informed of the current situation about protest in Kenya. But are you able to speak in Swahili?
Jambo, hello. Habari gani, how are you? Asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Habari, what's up? Mzuri, good. Mtu, person. Sanaa, beautiful. I can also try to have a simple conversation with you in Swahili. For example, habari gani, how are you? Niko nzuri. Kadiwa raha, I'm good, thanks. Your turn. Want to chat in Swahili?
Hakikisha ninaweza kufanya hivyo, of course. I can do that. Here's a little ditty in Swahili. Kwa hali ya asubuhi. Wakati wa siku tunapenda kujitokeza na kujihusisha.
And as you can see, the artificial intelligent avatars here in Engage XR can actually interact about any topic, and whereas I can even go to continental topics, you can see that they can also communicate about things as local politics. And I think that is a great step forward in the implementation of AI and the general information dissemination of information at real time. And it's a good addition in Web3 and especially as showcased here in Engage XR.
Engage is a business-focused spatial computing platform designed for corporations, professionals, educational organizations, and event organizers. Used extensively for remote training, collaboration, events, and marketing, our platform enables our clients to directly engage with employees, customers, and suppliers inside virtual worlds and digital twins. Engage is working hand in hand with over 200 plus enterprise organizations globally to help turn their virtual strategies into reality. We know that augmented reality and artificial intelligence will play a key role in the office of tomorrow, and this is why we are leading the way with Athena AI and AR pass-through capabilities supporting the next generation of immersive devices. Engage is not only a generational leap in communication, it's also a content creation tool and publishing platform. Build and prototype content in simulations easily with our inbuilt editor and share them with your organization or the wider community. It's up to you. Engage with the platform that does it all.